Hey guys, welcome to my first Photoshop tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be going over how to change eye color inside of Photoshop. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. There's two methods of doing it. In this video I'm going to only show you one method, and I'm going to show you the other method in another video, since I want to try to make these videos as small as possible. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. First, what you want to do is you want to import your video, or your picture inside of here. Right click and duplicate the layer so that you have one extra copy. This is very important in the future. I'm going to show you why later. Make sure you're on your copy, not on the original. Make sure you're on your copy that we have just created, and grab here the elliptical marquee tool. I think there's going to be a defaultly set to rectangular marquee tool, so click and hold and you're going to see the menu options down here. Click elliptical marquee tool and then click somewhere around the eye, press shift, and then just drag it down. This is going to create a perfect circle. Make it as big as you need to cover the whole eye around, and it's okay if you select a little bit more or you select a little bit over the eye. That's fine, because we're going to erase that later. Once you have done that, make sure this is all done on the background copy. Control U, click, and click colorize. This is going to automatically add a color to the eye. You can use the scroller here to move it around and give it a color. I'm going to make mine purple, and saturation to how much of the color you want to put in there. So the more you put, the more unrealistic it looks. So I'm going to set it down somewhere around here, around 38, and click OK. So now you can click out, and this is how your eye looks like. Now remember when I said to make the copy? This is why. Because if you wouldn't have a copy, and now you have all this mess around the eye, when you take the eraser and try to erase it, there's nothing in the back to replace the erased part of the image. So that's why you need to have a background, because that will replace whatever's being erased. So right click, select eraser, right click, make sure you set the hardness very low and your size to whatever you need it to be, and go around the image and start erasing what is extra, what's not necessary in the final picture. I'm gonna go roughly. I'm not gonna really take much time, but you understand the basic way to change eye color inside of Photoshop. This rate, comment, subscribe, guys. If these videos are helping you, I would really appreciate it if you leave some comments. By the way, to make this one image, right click on the first layer, and down here, I don't know if you can see, it says flatten image. Click on flatten image, and now it's one whole image. So you can go to file, save as, and save your file, and then save your file wherever you want it to be. Alright, this is pretty much it. Rate, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time.